Welcome to Garvey. Today we're going to discuss how to take apart and reconnect side flexing tabletop chain with a tab. The tools you're going to need for this are going to be a hammer and a pin. The direction of the pin that you're going to be pushing out, you can go from either side on this one. So all you're going to do is get your pin into a good location in one of the holes and give it a firm hit with a hammer, and you'll see that it has come out. Sometimes you may have to give it a small hit past that to get it to not engage the next chain. From there, you can take it apart. You'll see the tab still has the pin in it. If you need to release this pin the rest of the way, you can now use your dowel pin to push it through the rest of the way. We suggest if you're going to reconnect this chain soon that you leave the pin in one side of the chain, that way you don't lose it. It'll make things a little easier when you go to reconnect. Now remove the pin from the chain completely. And now to put it together, we're going to do the same thing in reverse. It's going to be in your best interest to seat the pin in the open side of the chain. Just get it to engage. Usually you could wiggle it in there a little bit. Sometimes a pair of channel locks might be beneficial to get it started. And once you have that started, you want to get the two chains and push them together. Keep them nice and tight together. You might need some help with this on a larger system, like an Infinity. Someone might need to hold your chains together while someone else pins it. This is for safety, and so you don't keep losing grip of it. It'll be the most efficient method. So you can now tap this in a little bit, go straight with a hammer at first, and then you use your pin to finish it the rest of the way. Once this is complete, the pin should be inward from each side a small portion, and that'll say that it has been seated properly, and your chain is back together. Thank you for joining us today.